The case Sundar Parmanand Lalwani vs. Caltex, India, Limited. Air 1969 BOM 24 is a notable trademark law case decided by the Bombay High Court on April 8, 1968, under the Trade and Merchandise Marks Act, 1958. It deals with a trademark dispute over the use of the mark, Caltex, and the issue of likelihood of confusion or deception under Section 11A of the Act. Key details. Parties *. The appellants, Sundar Parmanand Lalwani and others, applied to register the trademark, Caltex, for sewing machines, Class 7. The respondent, Caltex, India, Limited, a company dealing in petroleum products, opposed the registration, claiming prior use and registration of the Caltex trademark for their goods, e.g., oils, lubricants, fuels, under Class 4. Issue *. The central issue was whether the appellant's use of the Caltex trademark for sewing machines was likely to deceive or cause confusion among consumers, given the respondent's established use of the same mark for petroleum products. Legal provisions *. The case was governed by Section 11A of the Trade and Merchandise Marks Act, 1958, which prohibits registration of a trademark if it is likely to deceive or cause confusion due to its similarity to an existing mark. Appellant's argument *. The appellants contended that their goods, sewing machines, were entirely different from the respondent's petroleum products, and thus, there was no likelihood of confusion. They argued that the markets and consumer bases for these products were distinct. Respondent's argument *. Caltex, India, Limited, argued that their Caltex trademark was well known and extensively used for petroleum products, including lubricants that could be associated with machinery like sewing machines. They claimed that the use of an identical mark by the appellants could lead consumers to believe there was a trade connection between the two, causing confusion or deception. Registrar's decision *. The Assistant Registrar of Trademarks initially allowed the appellant's application, finding no likelihood of confusion due to the difference in goods. High Court's ruling *. On appeal, the Bombay High Court reversed the registrar's decision. The court held that the Caltex mark was well established and associated with the respondent's petroleum products. Given the potential overlap in trade channels, e.g., lubricants for machinery and sewing machines could be sold in similar markets, the court found that the appellant's use of Caltex was likely to cause confusion or deception among consumers. The court emphasized the reputation of the respondent's mark and the need to protect it from dilution or misrepresentation. Key observations. The court applied the principle that even if goods belong to different classes, a well-known trademark can be protected if the use of a similar mark on other goods is likely to cause confusion or deception. The decision highlighted the importance of considering the reputation of the existing mark, the nature of the goods, and the potential for overlapping trade channels or consumer perception. Significance. This case is a landmark in Indian trademark law, reinforcing the protection of well-known trademarks across different classes of goods. It established that the likelihood of confusion is not limited to identical goods but can extend to related or even dissimilar goods if the mark's reputation is strong enough to create a risk of deception. Legal references. The judgment can be accessed via legal databases such as Indian Kanun, org, web links, CaseMine, com, web links, Manupatra or SCC online, subscription-based. If you need a deeper analysis, specific excerpts from the judgment, or a comparison with the Sony Kabushiki Kaish case, please let me know.